Hello again. That things I missed to tell you guys about that project. If someone development that project and it will be can use it in different field in this world, uh, which the customer which help that customer. For example, if I want to eat the pasta with pink sauce, for example, I have a picture for that pasta from Italy, and I want to eat it in USA. So if that project that apps can put that image like a query image and give the customer like the top five restaurant who make it that dish with this style, the top the five top restaurant that help um, customer if like in a restaurant field. Other examples the design of the home. I want to like a pie home, and I have a design. I have a picture from that design, and if I put that image, and I want which company can create that design with this styles, I think that project we can use it in different and in different fields. Um, with this time in this world, with different application that's help the customer, so we can use it what I said in different things for restaurants, home, or if I wanna like buy a car, I want like which car, like if I post like I like the BMW car, but I want but the BMW is more expensive. So what the similar car from the BMW, but with the price with the good price for me also. We can use it in different fields. That's it. What I forget to say about it in for the final project. And sorry, I make it in two videos. And see you soon, guys. Thank you.